What's up, everybody? Welcome back to Level Up Classics. If you have been following along, we are doing an exhaust series with different combinations of exhaust parts, and today we are installing the OEM secondary muffler back in, so we can listen to it with the Fabspeed cup pipe. Here, we just finished doing our Fabspeed cup pipe and dance G pipe in our last video. If you want to check that out, my channel is in the link below. Grab your 13mm wrench, and we're removing the G pipe by loosening the exhaust clamp and seal ring. If you haven't, hit that subscribe button to support my channel. Now we're ready to grab that 23-pound OEM secondary muffler, and it's time to strain our bodies to reinstall it. In our second exhaust video, I showed step-by-step on how to remove this muffler. If you want to check that out, the link's below. If you just want the high-level summary, it's two 13mm nuts that you screw upwards. In this instance, I'm just hand tightening these nuts since we're just doing a sound test. Once the nuts are in, the muffler will hold itself up and you can reinstall the exhaust clamp, seal ring, and tailpipe. Now for the sound test, we're doing revs to 4,000 RPMs, and I've already warmed up the car. Here's 10 feet away. Here's 20 feet away.
Not very loud.
Yeah, not very loud. And we're at 20 feet. 20 feet. I was thinking this would be a bit louder, but I was really underwhelmed by this setup. It's the slightest bit louder than stock, and I was expecting it to be louder than the G pipe, but I guess the secondary muffler does a great job muffling the exhaust sounds. Thanks for watching, and check out my links below if you want to get any of these parts. Make sure you hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you next time.